Yes.
And we know that supporters then try to hold the
Yes. We are very happy that the pre-hearing session has been speedily concluded by the court. It was done within record time. Now we are going into the proper hearing. And also, in order to make sure that the matters are fast-tracked, the court has also consolidated all the three petitions, despite opposition from some quarters. Now we can all hear this matter effectively and with speed. Like you asked, the matter has been adjourned for a week for commencement of actual hearing on the 30th. And people are asking, what about 29th? What happens? We want to assure people that swearing in is a ceremony that does not in any way tie the hands of the court. The taking of oath binds the person who took the oath. It doesn't bind the court. The court's jurisdiction is still there to do justice, and the court has given timelines within which we will speedily call evidence and then address the court, and then the court will deliver its judgment. And we shall all cooperate to ensure that this is done according to the timetable and the schedule the court has presented. Thank you.
last sir, just one comment. The court said that no witness will give oral evidence, or you will need your witness to adopt.
Yes, that's the practice actually. In order to fast-track trial, we prepare what is called a witness statement on oath. So all that a witness is supposed to state are already contained there. So no need the witness coming and repeating what is already there. The witness merely adopts that witness statement on oath, and that's what it is. Thank you very much. Thank you.